Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I will be unboxing with you my biggest, extremely special early birthday gift from Louis Vuitton. This is something I've been dreaming about for so long, years now, 2 years to be precise, and I cannot believe it just happened now. It is so perfect. I cannot wait to show you. I'm so excited to unbox it with you and show you my very first extremely special Louis Vuitton Capucines bag. Alright, let me show you my birthday bag, one of my birthday gifts as well. So, as I said, this was an early birthday gift, but I had to get it because this was the only one available in Harrods. So I collected this bag a couple of days ago on the 18th of April, which was the official launch. I couldn't get it earlier, although my SA have sent me pictures a week before that. I had to pay a full deposit to secure it because it was the only one, as I said. You could place an order for this, but I think it takes a bit longer to be delivered, so I'm not gonna keep you waiting. Let's open it up together. Also, this box is a bit more special. It has this magnet closure. We have the beautiful Louis Vuitton flower sticker. I'm trying not to rip it. Let's see how many of you can guess what I got. So here is the bag in the dust bag, and also this is my receipt. I'm gonna share the price a bit later. If you've been a long time subscriber, this won't be a surprise for many of you because I have spoken about this bag for 2 years now. So let me see how many of you guessed. Comment down below. I bought the new, oh my god, the new Capucines Mini in Wicker. Oh my god, isn't she perfection, guys? This is what I've been waiting for. I could have bought this bag in a larger size last year and something stopped me, and I'm so glad. I missed on the first Capucines in Wicker in size BB that they released 2 years ago. It was impossible to get. It was only offered to VIP clients. I simply could not get my hands on it. I couldn't even see it in person. I've only seen some unboxings and pictures on social media. That's it. And then the following year, which was actually last year, they released it again because it was so popular, but it was slightly different to the year before. The handle was very plain, the hardware was different, and I don't know, something just stopped me from buying it. I saw it in person, I tried it on, and I found it way too bulky and heavy for a summer bag, and I was like, no, I'll just leave it. I was secretly hoping, because this style has been so popular, I was really hoping they would release it in a mini style. And they did this year. However, this time they didn't release it with the By the Pool collection. It launched so early this year. As I said, the launch date was on the 18th of April. This launch was very quiet. No one really knew about these bags. No one knew these mini sizes were coming. And I was actually very lucky because one evening while I was doing some research for a video that I was going to film the following day, I was sitting in bed browsing, looking for pictures. I was about to film a video about upcoming new bags, new releases. I will link that video above because it is already up on my channel. So I was doing my research, I was on Instagram, and a picture of the Capucines Mini popped up, and I was like, oh, what is this? Is this real? Believe it or not, the very next morning I messaged my SA, I actually messaged 2 of my SAs just to be on the safe side, and I asked, hey, is this coming? When is the launch? Normally these come in June with the By the Pool collection. Please keep me in mind because I'm very interested. And then guess what? One of my SAs replies straight away, we have this bag. It is launching next week. We have only one we received in store. This is the only one available in store in the UK currently. and I can show you a picture. I was like, what? This is coming so soon. Guys, this was a sign. I had to get this bag and it launched right before my birthday. I couldn't be happier because this is the most perfect birthday gift, isn't it? Do you guys agree? I'm just obsessed with her. She is so beautiful. Look at the beautiful braided handle. Look at this tan leather with the gold hardware and the wicker. It is just the perfect combination. Also the little studs on the handle and also at the back of the flap closure, you have the same studs with the Louis Vuitton writing on them. The bag also has little feet. It does come with a long strap as well, so you can crossbody it. This is exactly what I was waiting for. A Wicker Capucines Mini with the braided handle. I just fell in love with that braided handle that they did on the very first Wicker 2 years ago. I thought that was such a beautiful detail, and because of the wicker, because of the way the wicker is braided as well, it just suits the bag so much. It also adds an extra touch of elegance and sophistication. When I went to collect this bag, actually my essay told me a little bit about the bag and how long it takes to be made. And from memory, I think each bag takes 2 to 3 days to be made. Apparently this is evocative of the house's picnic trunk from 1892. Now with this collection, the Capucines Mini is available in a few other colors. They released it in the mini size in this tan color, also in black, white, and I think dragon fruit was the exact name of the color, but it is like a bright, almost neon pink. And I was able to see them in person, and I actually was also able to compare a few of them. Something that I noticed that I didn't actually like and I want to talk about is that the shape of some of the other bags was completely off. So be careful if you are getting one of these. Please pay attention to the shape of the bag, because some of the other ones I saw, the shape was completely off. One side was straight and the other side was like a bit more rounded. I am such a perfectionist. I like structured bags. I don't know, I thought that was something important to mention. Maybe some people wouldn't even notice it. I did notice it straight away. My essay actually took a while to notice that on the other bags. I compared the black to my one, and the black one, I think on the video clip I will insert, you can see that one side is slightly rounded. They did show me another bag, the other one was even more uneven on both sides, but I didn't take a clip or a picture. I wish I did so I can show you. So bear that in mind if you're getting one of these. Another little thing that I also spotted instantly when I compared the other bags was that some of the other Wicker Capucines, if you pay attention to the wicker where it's braided here on the top, it sat higher than the actual leather, and you couldn't really see that peak of leather my one has. I will insert a close-up of my one so you can see how the beautiful tan leather peaks on top of the wicker. As I said, all wicker bags will be slightly different to each other, but that's another thing that I personally spotted. Alright, let's have a look inside the bag. So it has a little flap, and when you open it up we have the strap, which is adjustable, and you clip it here on the side. Another thing that I love about the Capucines in Wicker is that we don't have the dividing compartments. All other Capucines do have 2 compartments, and there is a leather piece separating the 2 compartments in the middle, and especially for a mini bag, that's so inconvenient. That would have annoyed me so much. It really limits the space inside the bag as well, and because the bag is small and in wicker, it's harder, it's not leather, it doesn't stretch. It would be so hard to maneuver inside if we had that leather piece in the middle. We do have a zipper at the back, but you can't really put anything in there. The space is so tight and it's really difficult to actually get in here. Also, the lining this year is stunning. Initially, when I saw pictures of the lining, I was a bit like, ooh, I'm not sure if I like that. But obviously it is inside the bag, you can't really see it, so I was like, it doesn't really matter. However, when I saw it in person, I actually really liked it. I actually love it. And yeah, the lining is just fun. It gives it that summer feel as well. We do have some annoying stickers that I cannot wait to remove and peel off. I'm gonna do that off camera. I'll just remove maybe a few now. These wicker bags are also available again in the BB size. I saw the navy one in person. I think it is also coming in tan leather. Now, let me quickly tell you the prices. So I have the prices on my phone. The Capucines BB, which is the larger size, retails for £5,850. And also the BB size in navy and in tan has the braided handle this year. Then the minis, they have different prices. So depending on the color, this one, the tan, was the most expensive one. And the tan was the only one that has the braided handle that I love. So this one retails for £5,300. Very, very expensive for a mini bag in wicker. The other three colors, the pink, the black and the white that have the plain handle, are slightly cheaper, still pricey, £5,100. This, in my opinion, is the best one to go for. It actually gives me major Hermes picnic vibes. But to be honest, I do prefer the look of this. Now, have a look at the Mini Kelly in Picnic. It has silver hardware. I don't know, the design is a bit more plain. I think the Louis Vuitton Capucines in wicker is so much more detailed. I honestly find it prettier. I would choose this over and over again. I'm not joking. It is such a beautiful bag. I'm so obsessed with it. And oh my god, my luck, guys. I feel so lucky and I'm so glad that I was patient and I finally got exactly what I wanted. I waited 2 years for the most perfect wicker bag and I found it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed today's Louis Vuitton unboxing. Let me know your thoughts about my very first Capucines bag in the comments down below. I'm so excited to wear her this summer, you have no idea. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos because I have so much birthday content to share and also my main birthday unboxing coming up as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my unboxings and videos. I would also really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram. This is my Instagram here on the screen. I post my daily outfits on stories and show you how I style my new purchases. Thank you so much for watching again. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!